Good morning. Welcome to the IELTS Speaking Test. My name is Geneva. Could you please tell me your full name?
Good morning. My full name is Zenia Ray. It's lovely to meet you today.
Nice to meet you too, Zenia. In this part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions about weather. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What kind of weather do you like the most?
I really love sunny weather, but not too hot, just pleasantly warm with a soft breeze. It instantly lifts my mood. I enjoy going for a walk or having coffee outdoors when the sunlight is gentle and everything feels bright and peaceful.
Does the weather affect your mood?
Yes, definitely. When it's sunny, I feel energetic and motivated to do things. But when it's gloomy or raining for too long, I tend to feel lazy or even a bit down. I think weather influences our emotions more than we realize.
What's the weather usually like in your hometown?
In my hometown, the weather is quite tropical. We have hot summers, a rainy monsoon, and mild winters. Sometimes the humidity can be uncomfortable, but the rainy season brings a lot of greenery, which makes everything look fresh and alive.
Now, I'd like you to describe a type of weather you really enjoy. You have 1 minute to prepare.
The type of weather I enjoy the most is cool and breezy after a light rain. I remember one particular day last autumn. It had been raining all morning, and by afternoon, the sky cleared up. The air smelled fresh, and there was a gentle wind blowing through the trees. I went for a walk in the nearby park, and everything looked more colorful. The leaves were shiny, the grass was greener, and even people seemed happier. The temperature was just right, not too hot or cold, and I felt peaceful inside. That kind of weather helps me think clearly, reflect on things, and just appreciate the beauty of nature. Whenever I feel stressed, I wish for that kind of day again.
How does weather affect people's daily lives in your country?
Weather plays a huge role, especially in transportation and lifestyle. For example, during heavy rain, roads often get flooded and people face delays. In summer, the heat can be extreme, so people try to stay indoors during the afternoon. Farmers and outdoor workers are especially dependent on good weather conditions.
Do you think climate change is affecting the weather patterns in your country?
Yes, without a doubt. Over the last few years, I've noticed the seasons are no longer as predictable as they used to be. The summers are getting hotter, and the rainy season sometimes arrives late. It's a serious issue because it affects agriculture, water supply, and even people's health.
Why do you think people like talking about the weather?
Because it's something everyone experiences. Weather is a safe and common topic. It connects people. Even strangers can start a conversation with something as simple as, "It's so hot today." It's also a reflection of our lifestyle, culture, and even emotions.
Do you prefer living in a place with different seasons or constant weather?
I prefer different seasons because it makes life more exciting. Every season brings new colors, clothes, foods, and moods. It also helps me appreciate each moment, like enjoying warm tea on a cold day or ice cream in the summer. Constant weather would feel a bit monotonous, I think.
That's the end of your speaking test, Zenia. Your answers were detailed and very natural. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you, Geneva. I really enjoyed talking about weather. It's something that connects us all.
You did a wonderful job today. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.